Hello and welcome. I am Mr. Balnidhi Gambar from Sant Tukaram National Model School. Today, in this video, we will learn one new literature chapter from 6th standard, that is Festival of Eid. See, my dear students, before moving towards the chapter, let me tell you that Hindi version of this chapter is available also in Hindi, and the name of the chapter is Eid Ka Teuhar. It is written by Munshi Premchand. In Hindi also it is available by the chapter Eid Ka Teuhar. Now let us see the festival of Eid. In this chapter there is one small boy. His name is Hamid, who is an orphan one. He is parentless and he is now living with his grandmother Amina. He is one of the happiest boy in the village. Let us see, though he is parentless, how he is living happily or how he is happiest boy in the village, because hope is such kind of a thing which always makes us happy. His grandmother Amina, she always shows him hope that his father, he went to earn money and he will return with lot of silks, and his mother, she went to Allah and from there she will return with lot of gifts. And gifts means it makes children very much happy. So with this hope, this Hamid, he is living very much happily. He is 4 years old boy and he is living very much happy with this hope that one day his father and his mother, they will return with lot of gifts and lot of silk, and he will live happily with his father and mother. Now let us see next part of the chapter. See, it was the day of Eid. Now all of we know what is meant by Eid and how do we celebrate the Eid. After long 30 days fast, people have seen the Eid Ka Chand, and on that day, every day, everybody was celebrating Eid. Everybody is wishing everyone Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak. After long days of 30 days fast. See, but Amina, who was grandmother of this small boy Hamid, she was worried because there was no handful of grain in her home to cook on the occasion of Eid. See, on the occasion of Eid, everybody, they purchased new clothes. They used to cook sweets, delicious food in the home. But this Amina, she has no handful of grain in her home to cook sevaya and sheer kurma, etc. These are the some names of the delicious food which we used to prepare on the occasion of Eid. And see, everybody, they used to purchase the new clothes on the occasion of Eid, and everybody is happy. But this Amina, she is worried. There were two reasons: that there was no handful of grain to cook, and she is telling that Hamid is just 4 years old boy, and who will take him to the Idgah Mosque? Idgah Mosque, it's a place where these people used to they have their prayer namaz on Eid day. See, and it was 7 kilometers far away from the village. Now she is worried that who will take him to the Idgah Mosque, because other children, they have their father, parent, they are taking to them there. But this Hamid, he doesn't have parent, he is orphan, he is an orphan boy. That's why she is worried. But Hamid, he tells her that, Amijan, don't worry, I will manage and I will come as early as possible. So they see, this Hamid, he went with his friends to the Idgah Mosque, and there he had his prayer, and a lot of fun with his friends. His other friends, they purchased a lot. Toys, they ate sweets and all. But this Hamid, he has only 3 paise in his pocket. That's why he could not purchase anything. He could not purchase anything because he has only 3 paise. His other friends, they purchased the toys, police wala, advocate and other. Okay, but Hamid could not buy it. He doesn't have that much of money. He didn't eat sweet also. And finally, his friends make his fun, but he didn't care about it. And see, he saw one pair of tongs. Tongs, it is a tool which is used in the kitchen. He thought that every day his grandmother, his Ammijan, she used to cook for him, and it burns her hand while preparing a roti. So he thought that I will purchase that tong which will be useful for her Ammijan. And he tells his friend. His friends asked him that what is the use of this tong? Why did you purchase it? So he tells them that we can use it to play also. If we put it on shoulder, it looks like a gun with a soldier. If soldier is walking with his gun, and if we keep it in our hand, it looks like a when we singing a hymns. Saint people used to keep it in their hands like this. Maybe you have seen in the hands of our saints, Sant Tukaram Maharaj and other. They used to keep in their hands like this. So this is the use of it. And one more thing he used to tell his friends that, see, you have purchased of the toys. You keep it on the ground, it will break automatically. But if I throw this tong on the earth also, but it will not break, and it will spoil with one drop of water also. But my dear friends, if I keep this tong into the water for a whole day, it will not be spoiled. So in this way, he convinced his friends. And when he returned to his home, his Ammijan, she saw in his hand pair of tong, and she started shouting on him that why did you purchase it? You may be hungry. You should purchase something sweet to eat. But he didn't prepare, and he told her that, Ammijan, every day you cook roti for me, and I saw that you burns your hand while preparing roti. So I have purchased for it. And automatically his grandmother, Amina, she hugged him, embraced him, and started crying. How clever my grandson is. Okay, so this is Hamid. So this is the chapter. How is it? If you like it, please reply. Thank you very much.